Hello, welcome. In this video, we'll show you how AIS for Gemini streamlines review analysis directly within Google Sheets. AIS for Gemini is a powerful Google Workspace add-on that brings AI to your spreadsheets, documents, and forms. You can use it for data cleaning, content generation, very easy and very fast. Okay, so first you'll need to get your reviews into the Google Sheet. You can either import existing reviews from a CSV file, or you can use this add-on to create sample reviews. So let's create some sample reviews. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll use a prompt, something like this, Gemini list, and we'll say create 5 sample mixed reviews from buyers of my electronics equipment store, one review per line, and include the email address of the buyer in the review. So now it should create 5 mixed reviews sample. Okay, so what we'll do is okay, so 5 reviews are there in the Google Sheet now. Next, what we'll do is we'll be extracting the email address from these reviews using the Gemini underscore extract function. So this function allows you to pull specific data from a string or a value. Okay, so we'll use Gemini extract function, Gemini extract, and the text to extract is the review, and what we have to extract is the email address. So we'll ask for email address. Okay, so it has got the email address now. So we'll just pull down this formula for all the reviews, and it'll extract all the email addresses. Okay. Next, we'll do the same thing with the product. Yeah, there's no product in this review, so it hasn't brought anything. The next thing is we'll be taking out the average rating based on the review, what AI has understood from it. So we'll ask AI to summarize this and give us the average rating of the review in 5-star. No description. We'll also give an example so it follows that structure. Okay, 3 stars. We'll do the same for all the remaining rows. So we have got the email address, the product, and the rating. Now it's time to ask the big question from AI. We'll ask the AI to generate a response to these reviews. We'll ask something like write a response based on the customer review. So we'll just use the simple Gemini formula, and we'll ask write a response based on the customer review, and we'll give it in the value section we'll give it all the 4 values, so it's easier to understand. Okay, so it's given a detailed response. As you can see, a whole email in an email format. Thank you for your review and feedback, with the order number, along with the apologies for the disappointment the user felt, and everything else. So we'll just use it for the remaining rows. You can also modify the prompt to be more specific regarding the response, such as you can limit the word count. Let's say write a response based on the customer review within, let's say, 200 words. Okay, so now it's smaller responses. So this is how you can analyze the reviews that you get for your business, for your store. You can gain actionable insights from your customer feedback, save countless hours and understand your customers better. So try our add-on for free. You can visit the Google Workspace Marketplace link, which is in the description below, to install AI Assist for Gemini today. Thank you.